Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the coolest gadgets and innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with the Nuphy Air75 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard isn't just about typing, it's about redefining the way you interact with your devices. Let's explore the magic it brings to your fingertips. First off, let's talk about its innovative design. The Nuphy Air75 is currently the thinnest mechanical keyboard on the market, measuring just 16mm at its thinnest point. Thanks to its ultra-thin aluminum frame, it's a comfortable typing experience without the need for a wrist rest. Connectivity is key, and the Air75 gets it right. It offers multiple connection methods, including 2.4G wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C wired mode. You can connect up to 4 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for work, home, and even casual gaming. No one likes their gadgets to run out of juice, right? Well, the Nuphy Air75 comes with a robust 2500 mAh battery, offering a jaw-dropping 48 hours of usage. That's a week of work without breaking a sweat. Plus, you can extend battery life by turning off the backlight mode during the day. Let's talk aesthetics. This keyboard features stunning RGB lighting effects with 21 backlight modes and 4 side light modes. The LEDs on the left indicate caps lock and connection mode, while those on the right show battery power and system mode. Plus, you can customize lighting effects using the Windows software. Now, the heart of any mechanical keyboard, the switches. The Nuphy Air75 boasts Gateron low-profile brown switches, a delightful blend of tactile feedback and silence. They're ideal for both typing and gaming. Worried about wear and tear? Don't be. Nuphy uses advanced dye sublimation technology on ultra-thin PBT keycaps, ensuring they remain pristine even after long-term use. Plus, the keyboard comes with extra keycaps, including Alt keys for Windows users. Compatibility is a breeze. Whether you're a Mac or Windows user, the Air75 has got you covered. It even provides multimedia button layouts and handy shortcut keys for Mac users, making your life easier. And there you have it, the Nuphy Air75 wireless mechanical keyboard, redefining the way you type and connect. If you're ready to elevate your keyboard game, this one's a game changer.